Are you looking to learn how to trade stock options? Well, don't worry, because I got you. I'm stock market coach and option trader Jason Brown, and we're gonna be breaking down how to trade stock options in 5 simple steps. Let's get into the video. Step number 1, you wanna determine if you're bullish or bearish. If you're bullish, you think the stock is going up. If you're bearish, you think the stock is going down. By determining if you're bullish or bearish, that's gonna let you know if you're gonna be using call or put options. Step number 2, you wanna determine if you want an in, out, or at the money call or put option. Try saying that fast 3 times.
In, out, or at the money option. In, or out, money option.
Step number 3, you need to determine how much time do you want on your option trade. Full disclosure, like the battery's dead and this watch is not even working. Because option trades don't last forever. At some point they expire. So how long do you think it's gonna take for the stock to do what you believe it's gonna do? Step number 4 is an easy one. Now you just need the place to trade and sit back and wait. Step number 5, after waiting and the stock either did or didn't do what you thought it was gonna do, you need to make a decision if you're gonna exit the trade early or at least before expiration Friday at 4 p.m. if you don't plan on actually buying the stock or having someone put the stock to you or having your stock called away from you to go to somebody else. Basically, if you don't wanna lose your stock or you don't wanna buy some stock that you never wanted to own in the first place, you need to close out the trade by 4 p.m. expiration Friday so that option does not get exercised. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to get notified when I drop new videos around here. Also, if you're not familiar with call and put options, we just wrapped up a 5-part free series where we break down call options, put options, in, out, at the money, and a whole lot more with respect to options. There'll be a button on here that you can click, or there'll be a link in the description so you can watch that series. And also, if you want to learn more about options, you can download my free stock option starter pack by going to stockoptionstarterpack.com. There'll also be a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.